Welcome! Today I am with OPPO Find X2 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can adjust notification bar icons. So at first you have to open notification bar, and right now you have to click right here. Next, here we get the icons. So if you want to change position of them, for example, you want to get auto rotate here, just click hold and then put it like that. Next, if you want to remove icons, for example screencast, click hold and then put it here. So as you can see, it's very simple. Of course, you can add additional icons like the riding mode. And if you prepare everything, if you set up everything, you can just simply go back here, and that's all. As you can see, everything was saved automatically. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.